Hey there, I hope you are doing good. Welcome to Arena Innovations. Today we are here for the demonstration of WhatsApp Marketing Plus. Let me open the tool for you. In the meantime, let me give you a brief about the tool. WhatsApp Marketing Plus comprises of sending bulk messages from a single account, and you can use multiple accounts. There is no limitation. The main feature of this tool is that you don't have to save any number. If you are a business or a service provider, you must have your customers' data with you. You can simply copy that data, i.e. their phone numbers, and paste it in this tool. And you can create any sort of personalized message. There is no character limitation at all. You can have your message in any font. You can provide links, you can provide emojis, you can provide web addresses, you can provide social media handles. Then comes the attachment panel. You can attach any sort of attachment, be it audio, video, PDF, GIF, document files. So let's begin with the tool. So this is the dashboard of the tool. This is how the tool looks. First is the account manager section, then comes the contact manager section, message panel section, attachment panel section. On account manager section, we are going to click on this add button and we are going to add an account. An account is the number from which you are going to send messages to your customers. I'll write the number. As soon as I'll click on create account, it will take me to the WhatsApp web login portal. And then you have to scan the QR code. It is a one-time process. You don't have to do it every time. As soon as you have logged in, it will take you back to the software itself. A small message is going to come. Your account has been added successfully. We'll click on OK. We'll select our account. Now comes the contact manager section. Here you are going to provide your client's phone number to whom you have to send messages. There are two ways, either to add manually or to import a file. If you click on add manually, you can manually write your client's phone numbers or copy paste from somewhere, and then you can click on import. The other option is you can import an entire Excel file in a CSV format, in this format. Then you can click on import. For trial purpose, I'll be adding numbers manually only. So let me copy some numbers. We'll click on import. Now comes the message panel. Here I'm going to add a sample message. Now you can see there are several variant properties like variant 1, variant 2, variant 3, 4, 5. Now what it does is it will provide you individual information. Let's suppose I'm using variant 1 for name purpose. I'll write the values. As I have mentioned the values under variant 1, after my greeting, I'm going to click on this variant button, add the variant 1. Now if I send the message to this number will go, "Hi Arun, welcome to Arena Innovations." To this number the message will go, "Hi Priyanshu, welcome to Arena Innovation." To this number the message will go, "Hi Shubham, welcome to Arena Innovations," and so on. Now comes the attachment panel. Here you can attach any sort of attachment. I'll attach a sample picture. Then you can provide any caption to a picture. I'll provide a sample caption. Now everything is done. Our account has been added. Our contact manager is done. Our message is ready. Our attachment is done. We'll click on send. As soon as you click on send, you have to read the disclaimer. We'll click on agree. We'll click on existing selected account because we have already logged in at the very first place. As soon as we'll click on existing selected account, the software will do the job on its own. It is completely automated. We'll wait for the sending. As soon as the sending has been completed, the window will close itself, and in the bottom section you could see there is a 100% completion. You can see a report, status, total count, processed, success count, failure count, and the complete status. Now let's come to the other aspect of this software, the number filter. Here again you can manually add phone numbers or import Excel file, and you can know whether your client's number is registered on Whapsapp or not. Then comes the settings section. Here there are several customizable settings which will ease up your job. You can divide the task as per you, either on equal basis or percentage basis if you are using multiple accounts. You can create a rotation between your messages of any number of messages. You can delay your messages according to your convenience. You can have activate sleep between sending also. So this was the WhatsApp marketing tool. Adios. Have a great day.